Welcome back. Now, it is within the Zoom desktop client that you can use Zoom to interact with individuals that are going to be inside of your contact list. So for example, if you know that you have one contact or more than one contact, you can interact with those individuals using Zoom. And so once you determine who your contacts are, what you can do is you can start to use the features such as the Zoom chat. And so in this case, you can write messages by text. And you can interact with the individual through Zoom. From within this desktop client, you can share a screenshot. You can also share and upload files. You can upload files from your personal computer, from your Box Drive, from your Google Drive, and from your Microsoft OneDrive. You can send the screenshot. So for example, if we were to go to this menu, we can click Hide Chat Window in the screenshot, and then we can click Screenshot. We can then highlight the screen. We can click Capture. And then you'll see that the screenshot is going to be inside of the area that you have with the chat. You click Enter, you can then send the screenshot. What you can also do with either one contact or with multiple contacts is you can set meetings. So for example, what we can do is we can start a specific Zoom meeting that we have already set up, and we can invite our contacts. We can also go to that contact and we can meet with the contact by clicking this button that says Meet. See then that clicking this button opens up the Zoom meeting interface, which you can then join with your computer audio, and you can start a meeting as long as the individual is going to be online, and you'll be able to use your audio visual in order to meet with that individual. Once the meeting is over, you can then click the End button. You can also use all of the other controls that are going to be associated with a Zoom meeting, such as record, screen share, and chat. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.